Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change the delivery zone on Skip the Dishes. All right, let's begin. You can modify your delivery zones at any time as long as you have the latest version of the Skip the Dishes app. Open the app and you will see the map and your availability. There are two ways to change your zones. First, you can access the Help Center by tapping the icon at the top right of the main screen. From there, go to Update Delivery Zones. This will redirect you to a map where you can add or remove specific zones. Tap on a zone to toggle it on or off, then save your changes at the bottom of the screen. The second method is through the Availability tab. Open the scheduling screen, then tap Update Delivery Zones at the top right. This will also take you to the map where you can select or remove zones. Once you have made your selections, save the changes. The new zones will update immediately in the Skip the Dishes Courier app. So that's basically how you can change the delivery zone on Skip the Dishes. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.